Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking about nude lipsticks and how to choose the perfect nude lipstick for yourself. Earlier, I've also made a video about red lipsticks and how to choose the perfect red lipstick for yourself. So if you guys haven't seen that video, you can just go and watch that video also. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Nude lipsticks are one of the most popular lipsticks going on these days, and that is mainly because that color is so close to your skin. You feel comfortable wearing it because it is not too much intense or not too light. It is just perfect according to your complexion. And because it is such a subtle natural color, you can really wear it every day and at any time of the day. And because it is such a normal neutral color, you don't have to think much before wearing it. You can wear it every day, anytime. And it is also used to neutralize your natural lip color. So if you have like a naturally very intense lip color, like someone has really red natural lips, they can put on some nude color to neutralize their lips. Or if someone has very light lip color or pale lips or no color at all on the lips, they can also use a nude shade to give a little tint to their lips without adding too much intensity. There are thousands of nude shades in the market. There is nude pink, brown, yellow, orange, red, and many more. So it becomes really confusing and really difficult to pick out the perfect one and the right one for yourself. So today I'll be giving you guys some tips that will definitely help you out to pick out the perfect nude color for yourself. First thing is to know your skin complexion and your undertone. And if you don't know how to check your undertone, please refer to the video I made on how to choose the perfect red lipstick for yourself. That will help you to know about your undertone. If you have fair complexion and somewhat pinkish undertone, then you should go for a orangish or beigeish nude color. And if you have fair complexion but yellow undertone, then I would suggest that you go for a pinkish nude shade. If you have fair to light skin, then I would suggest that you go for a nude color that is 1 to 2 shades darker than your natural skin complexion. And if you have dark skin, then you should go for a nude color that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin complexion. So these tips will help you ease out the selection of the nude colors from the shop or from wherever you're buying, but eventually you will have to try these on. And you also have to keep in mind the natural color of your lips. So if you have very fair skin and you have super pigmented lips, like your lips are like really red, then you should go for a color that will bring down the natural color of your lips, but it still has to be 1 to 2 shades darker than your skin color. But if you have medium to dark skin complexion, then you can go for little lighter nude shades than your skin complexion, but I would suggest that don't go too light because that will just make your lips look very pale and you will look kind of sick. I don't know, but it will just not, I think it will not suit. It is also important to know the texture of the lipstick that you should be applying, and that totally depends on the amount of makeup you're wearing. So if you have very little or no makeup, then actually all textures of lipsticks can go, but I would suggest that you wear a sheer or a gloss. And just remember that the color of the lipstick should be really close to the natural color of your lips. If you're wearing medium amount of makeup, then creamy texture of lipsticks would look good. And if you have full coverage makeup, then matte lipsticks would be the best. And according to makeup, if you have matte eyes and completely matte face, then a little sheer or glossy lips will look nice. But if you have shimmery eyes and full glowy highlighted face, then matte lipsticks will look the best. So I have a medium skin complexion with a yellowish undertone, and my lips have no stable natural color. Sometimes they are super pigmented, they are super red, sometimes they are pale, and sometimes there is just no color. So currently these two are my favorite nude shades right now. This one is a little brownish nude and this one is pinkish nude. They both work amazing for me. Okay guys, so that will be all for today's video. Just remember that the tips I gave are from my personal experience. It is what I personally think. Every person is different in their own way, so it is not necessary that my tips will help everyone and work on everyone. It's just something what I feel and what I have found out in my years. There is no harm trying out the tips that I just told you to help find your perfect nude shade. In the beginning, obviously you will have some difficulty. You will have to try on different shades. You won't be able to just find the perfect shade in one go. But after some time, when you get used to it and when you know what is going to exactly suit you, you will be able to find out the perfect shade for yourself in one go. So these tips will eventually help you out, hopefully. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video will help you and that you will be able to find your perfect lip color. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.